Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about exterior angles of a triangle and some property related to exterior angles. Like as, let's see once more time. Suppose that ABC be a triangle and the side BC produce to ray AD. Then angle ACD is known as exterior angles with respect to two opposite interior angle A and B. Okay, and we have to show some a theorem based on exterior angles property. According to this theorem, the exterior angle, that is exterior angle ACD, is always equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. In this figure, angle A and angle B are two opposite interior angle with respect to this exterior angle. So, exterior angle ACD is always equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle, that is angle A plus angle B. Okay, and we also solve some questions based on this theorem, and we also discussed in previous class a theorem in which ABC is a triangle and the side AB produced to P and side AC produced to Q. Then bisector of angle PBC and QCB are intersect each other at point O. Then we have to prove it. Angle BOC, here angle BOC is equal to 90 minus angle A by 2. This is very important results for questions. Okay, so dear students, you remember these two results always. Okay, now we take some questions based on exterior angles. Let's see. Take a question. In the given figure, if QT perpendicular to PR, and angle TQR is equal to 40 degree and angle SPR is equal to 30 degree. Okay, find the value of X and Y. Find the value of X and Y. Okay, now your figure is a triangle PQR in which QT perpendicular to PR, that is QT perpendicular to PR, and angle TQR means that angle is 40, and in the given figure, that is Y. Okay, that is X, and we have angle SPR, angle that is SPR, that is this angle is 30 degree. This is your questions. Okay, this is your questions. Okay, now solve it. In the given figure, first of all we take in triangle QTR, in triangle QTR, and we apply angle sum property of a triangle in that triangle. Okay, now from figure we apply angle sum property of triangle in triangle QTR. In triangle QTR we get what? Angle TQR, angle TQR plus angle QTR, plus angle X. This is angle, third angle X na, in triangle QTR. X is equal to 180 degree. Now we have, according to diagram, angle TQR is 40, so we put here 40 plus angle QTR is 90 degree, because according to statement QT is perpendicular to PR na, so angle QTR is always equal to 90 degree, so we put here 90 degree plus X is find that. Now here we get 130 plus X is equal to 180 degree, so we have X is equal to 180 minus 130, that is we get X is equal to 50 degree. Now the value of X is 50 degree. One answer is done, is to obtain. Now we will find the value of Y. Now for the triangle PSR, angle PSQ is a exterior angle corresponding to two opposite interior angle 30 and X. Here in that triangle, here the side RS is produced to SQ. Okay, now in triangle PSR, using exterior angle property, using exterior angle property, we get let's see, angle PSQ, this is the exterior angle for triangle PSR. Okay, angle PSQ is equal to, that is the exterior angle, sum of two opposite interior angle SPR plus angle PRS. Now from figure, angle PSQ is Y, so we put here Y. Angle SPR is 30 degree plus, and here angle SRP is, which is, we find angle X na, that is X 50 degree X, so we get Y plus 30 plus 50, since X is equal to 50 degree. Okay, now we get Y is equal to 80 degree, so this is one answer. Okay, so in this way we find the value of X and Y. Okay, first let's see once more time. This is your question. we find angle x and y. First, in triangle QTR, we using the angle sum property of a triangle, that is 40 plus 90 plus x is equal to 180. In this way we find the value of x. Okay, now in triangle PSR, we using the exterior angle property. In respect to triangle PSR, y is the exterior angle and 30 and x are two opposite interior angles. So y is equal to 30 plus x, 30 plus x, and we find the value of x, that is 50. So we have y is equal to 30 plus 50, that is 80 degree. So in this way we solve that questions. Okay, now we take some other question. Let's see other question. Okay, in the given figure, if AB parallel to DE, angle BAC is equal to 35 degree and angle CDE is equal to 53 degree. Find angle DCE. Find angle DCE. Okay, now your figure is AB parallel to DE. Okay, and here AD is that type joint. Here C, this angle is 53, CDE, and BAC, that angle is 35 degree. Okay, find angle DC. We find the angle DC, that angle we find. Okay, now solve it. Let in the given figure, here AB parallel to DE na, and AE is the transversal, then alternate interior angle equal to each other na. So angle 35, angle EAB is always equal to angle CED, since from figure AB parallel to CDE, AB parallel to DE, and EA as a transversal, EA as a transversal, then angle BAE, angle BAE always equal to angle CED, because these are the alternate interior angles, and we know that alternate interior angle are equal to each other. Okay, that is angle CED is equal to 35 degree, which is angle BAE, 35 degree. Okay, now we apply angle sum property in triangle CDE. Okay, now we apply angle sum property of triangle in triangle DCE, we get angle DCE, which is find that, plus angle CDE plus angle CED, that is 35, is equal to 180 degree. Now putting all the values, DCE is find that angle DCE plus angle CDE is 35 degree, 53 degree. Now we put here 53 degree plus CED is 35 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now we get angle DCE plus 88 degree 180. Okay, now we have angle DC is equal to 180 minus 88, that is 92 degree. So the required answer is 92. Okay, so dear students, in this way we solve all the questions based on exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, now we take some other questions. Okay, now we take some other question. In the given figure, your figure is a triangle, given that a triangle XYZ in which angle X is equal to 62 degree and angle XYZ given that 54 degree. If YO and ZO are the bisector of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively of triangle XYZ, that is YO and OZ. YO and OZ, ZO is a bisector of the angle XYZ and XZY meet at point O. Find angle OZY, that is this angle we find that, and angle YOZ, that angle we find that. Okay, yani find angle YOZ and angle OZY. Okay, now let's solve it. We know that our result, when internal bisector of these angle intersect at point O, then angle YOZ is equal to 90 plus angle X by 2, that is vertex angle X na, so 90 plus angle X by 2. This result is proved in previous topic. Okay, this is a theorem and we use this result in this question. Okay, when internal bisector of these two angles intersect internally at point O, then angle YOZ is equal to 90 plus angle x by 2, that is vertex. Okay, vertex angle. So we put the value angle YOZ is equal to what? 90 plus angle x is 62 by 2, that is 90 plus 31. 90 plus 31, that is 121 degree. This is one answer. This is one answer. Okay, so the angle YOZ is 121 degree. Now from figure, YO is the bisector of angle Y, and angle Y is given that is XYZ, given that 54 degree na. From figure, OI or YO is the bisector of angle XYZ, that is angle OYZ is equal to angle OYZ, that is that angle is equal to angle Y by 2, that is 54 upon 2, that is 27 degree. Okay, now we apply angle sum property in triangle YOZ. Now in triangle YOZ we using the angle sum property, that is angle OZ Y is find that, and angle O, that is angle OYZ plus angle YOZ, which is find that YOZ 121 degree plus angle OZY, which is find angle OZY is equal to 180. So we put all the values. OYZ is 27 plus YOZ 121 plus angle OZY is equal to 180. So here 718 for 148. 148 148 plus angle OZY is equal to 180. So angle OZ transfer that side, so that is angle OZY is equal to 180 minus 148, 180 minus 148, we get angle OZY is 32 degree. So this is another answer. Okay, so in this way we solve all the questions. Okay, now we take some other questions. Now we take some question. Your question is, find the value of x in the given figure, in the given figure, and your figure is ABC. That angle is 112 degree, that angle is 120 degree, that angle is x, and in this figure find the value of x. Here this is d, that is e. Okay, now let's solve it. Now solve it. In the given figure, CE is the straight line. CE is the straight line, and we know that angle on a straight line is 180. So at point A, 120 plus angle BAC, angle BAC is equal to 180 na. So we have angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 120. 120 transfer that side, so angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. In this way we find angle BAC, that is this angle. Now we using angle sum property of triangle in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC we get angle sum property of a triangle ABC. We get no angle sum property, no, we using exterior angle property of triangle in triangle ABC. We get we using the exterior angle property. Here ACD is the exterior angle, and here A and B are two opposite interior angle, and we know that exterior angle is always equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. Okay, that is exterior angle ACD is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle, that is angle A plus angle B. So putting all these values in this equation, we get exterior angle is 112, okay, is equal to angle A, we find that here 60 degree, okay, plus angle B, the value of angle B is x, so we put here x, so x is equal to 112 minus 60, so the x is equal to 112 minus 60, we get 252. So the value of x is 52 degree. That is your answer. Okay, so dear students, you solve that type of questions in this way. Okay, here we discuss 4 questions. Okay, now take once more time. Here that is a straight line, so we use the angle sum we know the angle on a straight line is 180. So at point A, 120 plus angle A is equal to 180. First of all we find that angle, and now after that we using the exterior angle property in that triangle, that exterior angle, and there are two opposite interior angle. In this way we find the value of x. Okay, now dear student, you solve all the questions of NCERT exercise, okay, on your copies. Okay, thank you.